You've been paying Google to send customers to your site, and now Google wants to keep them. At Google I/O 2026, they announced something that should be on every e-commerce leader's radar right now. A universal cart that lets shoppers browse, compare, and check out across search, YouTube, and Gmail without ever visiting your website. Your product page becomes optional. Your retargeting pixels stop working. Your session data disappears. And for a growing share of transactions, your site becomes irrelevant. So, in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly how this works, what it means for your traffic and affiliate model, and what you should do about it before this becomes the default. Traditionally, Google sent users to your site, right? That was the deal. You paid for visibility, Google delivered the click, and you own the conversion. But that model's changing. Users now shop across search, Gemini, YouTube, and Gmail without leaving Google. Their selections stay in one place, the universal cart, and checkout happens natively via Google Pay. Google used to own the top of your funnel, and now it wants the bottom too. Two protocols are making this possible. The first is the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP, which is the open standard that connects Google's services into a unified shopping experience. It standardizes checkout so consumers can complete a purchase via Google Pay in a few taps, or transfer to your site if they choose. Either way, you stay the merchant of record and keep the customer data. Early partners include Nike, Sephora, Target, Walmart, and Shopify merchants, with future expansion into Canada, Australia, and the UK, plus hotel bookings and local food delivery. The other one is the Agent Payments Protocol, or AP2. This is a security layer underneath autonomous purchases. Users define their own guardrails like approved brands, product categories, and spending limits. Then the agent only acts within them. Every transaction generates a tamper-proof digital record visible to both the shopper and the merchant. This simplifies returns and reduces fraud disputes. Once a product is in the cart, Gemini works in the background. It monitors price drops, sends restock alerts, and automatically applies loyalty perks and merchant offers via Google Wallet. All right, so here's where it gets a little uncomfortable. According to a BizRate Insights survey, 59% of US digital shoppers consider search engines like Google and Bing a top discovery channel for online shopping. By comparison, just 12% say the same about AI chat tools. Google is building from a dominant discovery position, and Universal Cart does not change that discovery behavior. What it changes is where the transaction completes. So discovery still happens through Google. The purchase now stays there too. This means the visit to your site never happens. Your analytics, your retargeting pixel, your session data, none of it fires. For brands built around owning the post-click experience, this is a huge structural disruption. The same dynamic hits affiliate marketing even harder. Right now, when a shopper leaves a cart to hunt for a promo code on a coupon site, that affiliate site gets the final click and earns the commission. Universal Cart eliminates that moment entirely. Google applies a discount natively before the user navigates away. This is a direct structural challenge to the last-click attribution model that funds the affiliate marketing industry. If you have meaningful affiliate dependencies in your acquisition mix, it's worth auditing now. The rollout also faces a significant challenge. Consumer trust just isn't there yet. According to a Bain survey, 25% of shoppers trust retailer-owned AI tools to carry out end-to-end agentic commerce. Trust in tech companies like Google drops to 16%. And for AI platforms like ChatGPT, it falls to just 7%. That's a meaningful gap, and it does matter strategically. Google's technical infrastructure is ready, but consumer willingness to hand purchase authority to a tech company isn't. That hesitation is the main reason the choice between integrating and waiting is murkier than Google's announcement makes it sound. For e-commerce leaders, the decision comes down to two paths. Integrate, and you stay inside the ecosystem where most product discovery already happens. Your products get surfaced with Gemini, your loyalty programs connect to Google Wallet, and your checkout works with UCP. Opt out, and you rely on consumer hesitation to protect your direct relationships. And for now, that hesitation is real. Regardless of which direction you move, two things are worth doing immediately. Audit your affiliate dependencies for last-click exposure, and make sure your product data is clean and well-structured. Gemini surfaces what it can read, and messy catalogs become invisible ones. Google's move confirms something we've been tracking for a while. As AI takes on more of the shopping journey, the infrastructure underneath your catalog meaning how well your products are structured, discovered, and attributed, becomes a thing that determines whether you show up at all. At Luigis Box, that's the layer we work on. What Google is building makes it even more consequential. The retailers getting that foundation right now are the ones who will still be visible when agentic shopping becomes the default. All right, and that's all for today, folks. If you found any of this interesting, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.